Hello, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to turn on the Show Security Notification feature in WhatsApp. This is a great way to keep track of any changes made to the security settings of your chats and contacts. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once WhatsApp is open, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that to open the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Account. This will take you to the section where you can manage all the privacy and security features of your account. Now, under the Account section, tap on Security. This is where you can adjust various security settings related to your chats and contacts. You'll see an option called Show Security Notifications. Simply toggle this option to the On position. What this does is notify you whenever a contact's security code has changed, which helps ensure that your chats remain secure. Once you've enabled this option, you can exit the settings and the feature will be active. From now on, whenever your contact's security code changes, you'll get a notification letting you know. And that's it. You've successfully turned on the Show Security Notification feature in WhatsApp. This will help you stay informed about any security changes in your chats and keep your conversations safer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more helpful tutorials.